Hey, Chef Brandz from Smoking Bagels. Today we're going to be doing a Cuban mojo beef, and we're going to be doing it 4 different ways. We're going to do it quesadilla style, nacho style, taco style, and bagel style. One thing with anything that I cook, it's always accessible from a supermarket. Come we go. Right, so today we're going to be doing Cuban mojo beef. Feel free to pause the video at any time and take notes of the ingredients. Check the description for the full detailed recipe below. By the end of this video, you're going to have a brand new recipe that you can try 4 different ways of your own. So first, the marinade. We're going to season with salt, pepper, cumin, cayenne pepper, good glug of olive oil. Now the mojo beef has a zesty base, so we're going to need fresh oranges and limes. So we're going to chop garlic, ginger, mix it up well and leave the meat to soak in all of that goodness. Sweet potato wedges, the perfect guilt-free side dish. I season mine with salt, pepper, thyme, good sprinkle of olive oil, give it a good mix, baking tray, medium heat oven, 30 minutes, done. Whilst that's cooking, let's make a salad. Really simple. Avocado, tomato, cucumber, a little bit of red chilli, parsley, lime juice, mix it up, good to go. Tacos can also make nachos. Rub oil in one, chop the other into triangles, get your hob on, grill your steak, don't overcook it, you want a nice tender center. Flash the taco triangles in hot oil, boom, instant nachos. So steak's done, rested, slice, dice, it's all looking nice. So the guac and the salsa have the same base. Red onions, lime juice, garlic. For the guac, add half of that base with avocado, salt and pepper, coriander and all that jazz. Add chilies, jalapenos. For the salsa, chop tomatoes, more garlic, parsley, use the other half of the base, salt, pepper, mix well, serve it, top it with a little bit of cheese. Quesadillas, preheated pan, taco, peppers, cheese, steak, another taco on the top, flip it, slice it, enjoy. Now the bagel, my favorite. Parsley, loads of steak, salsa, guac, yum. And just do the same for your taco. Hey, Chef Brandz. So today we did our mojo Cuban beef, and we did it 4 different ways. So we did it in a bagel style because we're smoking bagels. We did tacos, quesadillas and nachos. Come and have a look.